You're not gonna say bless you, you prick?
I'm sorry. Are you not okay?
I'm fine. It'd just be better if my friend cared enough about me, though.
I care enough about you that I believe that you don't need the power of Christ, my friend, to get through a sneeze.
It's a common courtesy.
It was a common courtesy in the 1300s. It's outdated, pre-scientific era. You know, the last time I checked, this science crap got pretty scientific since then.
You know this is why people don't like you, right?
You know, they thought that diseases were derived from demons, and every time you sneezed, you were vulnerable to demons. Are you?
Don't ask me, man.
Are you feeling a little vulnerable, my friend?
Will you just shut up?
Oh, come on, man. You didn't. No, I didn't mean that. Hell, man. We gotta talk about this while we're waiting for Nick or something.
Not you. Him.
What? Please, guys, just let me go. Wait, let me explain.
You kinda want me to say bless you, don't you?
A little bit.
Yep.